Today, guys, we're playing Animal Hospital. And I'm new to this. I never played this. And I'm in a match with randoms. So let's do this. See this chat. What do you do here? Whoa. Like. Oh, the randoms left, but I'm gonna do solo one. I don't care. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Here. Oh, Jojo, Tanaka. Check in as a patient. Take a photo. Oh, wait. Is this like... This is not my neighbor? Oh, wait. No, I got this. But this is easier. What's this? Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. What do I do here now? Why is he highlighted? She highlighted it. Come on, bro. What? Oh, here? Oh, wait, I guess I have to wait. Stomach ache? Huh? Oh, herbs. Okay. That's it? Oh, okay. I heard someone here. Yeah. So right now I'm just gonna speedrun this because now I know what to do. Understanding now. Understanding now. Two, okay. I'm gonna wait for you in room 2. Yeah. I'm speedrunning this because I already know what to do now. Let's go. Whoa. Let's go. Come on. Yep. Come in. Yep. Right here. Understanding now. Oh. Yo. Yeah. Oh, so this is every 25%. It just beeps. Oh, dried eyes? I think that's eye drops. Yep. Knew it. Doctor. I think he's supposed to help me because technically I'm a doctor too. Treating patients and I'm... Yeah. Yeah, I am. Okay, Dr. Harlow. What's up? Some advice. Things get strange. Just keep working. But... What is this? I mean shutters. What does that do? Oh, so this is like to reject the doppelgangers, kind of like that. Excellent. Okay, like 2000. Excellent, bro. And then I'm the best. I'm doing the shift until I die. Oh no. Yo, yeah, no. Get out. Out of service, bud. Yeah. Get out. What? Another one? Come on, bro. I missed. What is that? Oh, yeah, wait. Get up, bro. Oh, yo, I'm losing so much sanity. And I do not know what happens when I lose sanity. I lose all my sanity. I think I die, but whatever. You know what? I'm drinking some coffee now, because I'm low sanity. Yeah, you can go. I have to check in a patient. Wait, is this a patient? What did I do? I'm sick and tired of you guys just going in here and thinking you're a regular patient, bro. Get out. 3. I'm just taking anything. Actually, medicine. Just trying to know, bro. Get out. Just wait. Whoa, I can't get up the top of here. How am I doing this? I don't know. Action needed. Medicine? Oh! You it. Can I? Thank you. Let me just... Okay. I can trash these. I'm just trying it out. I literally... Nah, bruh. Oh, nah, bruh. The coffee is mine. Yeah. Buddy. The coffee's mine. I need it more than you. I don't care who you are. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you're a serial killer or a doppelganger. Just get out. Checking patients still? What checking? This kid? This kid's just standing here. Oh, I think this is the final one. Because this one's getting on, this one's yeah. What do you want, bro? Hello, yeah, huh? Eiko Sato, yeah, huh? Sure. Yeah, I know. That's what they all say. That's what they all say, bud. Get up. What? How do you faint? Okay. After that, we just... Okay, you're here for your appointment. Let me check. You're fine. Yeah. So... Oh, medicine. Oh, never mind. It's headache. I think headache is just the medicine thing. Oh, what is? Why are you near my? What? What do I do? Oh my gosh. Oh my. So this is really hard doing it like a solo run. Yeah, okay, I know medicine and herbs. Here. You good. Yeah, bro, doctor. I don't know, but... Okay, I'm gonna drink some coffee. Oh my gosh, bro, that pet monster, didn't know. I thought you had to, like, try to walk. But no, you have to... Oh, bad, what? Supply shop? Where's that? Oh. I think this is it? Yep. And I'm the main character, bro. Somewhere. Is this extra check-in? So I can check in 2 people at a time. Bet! Oh, I can't even afford it. Bro. And I'm the best. Well, this kid's ear. Why does he... Those cat ears? Yeah, okay. Patient, Take photo. Let's see. Okay, you're perfectly normal. Yeah, here you go. Got room 4. Okay. Oh. Whoa. Why do you have dots? No, that's weird. Nah, nah, I don't trust that a bit. Yep, nah, that looks kind of suspicious. Oh no, you're normal. What? Hey, he's normal. Wow, you got room 3. Wow. What? Yo, I don't trust you a bit, cause oh, I can fix it. Didn't know that. Haruki Hawks. Okay. Oh no! Wait no! Did not mean to do that. Sorry. So that's 2. I'm gonna. What is this? Oh, you're cleaning it. What is that? What is that? What is that? No, I don't care. Really don't care. Really don't care. What is it? Oh, sugar bleeding. I think it's it. Yeah. Here you go. Low sugar. Yeah, sure. You can get some maple syrup. That'll help. Because it has plenty of sugar. Okay, I think. What? Who's even my cameras? It's out of service. Someone has start. What? You mean death ritual? Oh my gosh. Oh, extinguish. What are you doing to my patient? Oh. What? What? Oh! No. Extinguish. Oh my gosh, okay, that's good. Okay. What? Oh, never mind. She's treating lights are flickering. Supposed to happen? Okay, there's no one there. No, you're fine. Actually, no, I don't care about the twisting heads. No. Out of service, bud. Nope, I don't care. It's reindeer, bro? Don't care, buddy. Is that the last person to check in? Nope, there's still one more. And yeah, okay. Yo, what's up, bro? My name is Leo Kura. Okay, can you show me your picture, please? Okay, you're fine. Here we go. Problem. Which one? What? Wait, that's unlocked? Who unlocked that? Let me just do this. There you are. Rash. Where is that? Ointment, okay. Just do this. Here. We're good. What? Still one here? Hey, what you want? Copy the sequence? What sequence? Oh, blue. Cyan, green, cyan, green, cyan. Cyan, green, cyan, red. I think that's fine. What are you here? So what do you want? Oh, what? Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, right here. What? I keep clicking the red skull by accident. Oh. It's complete. No sugar rush. I know maple syrup and ointment. Okay, good. How many do you need? IV drops. Wait, 4 drops or... Is this supposed to mean 4 drops? Or just IV drops? I don't know. Okay, he's good. He's good. We're good. What? Now, what if I just don't run? What if I don't hide? Yeah. What? What? Delicious? What? Yo, doctor, yo, can you like revive me? Cause you're a doctor. Ain't you a doctor? Ain't you a doctor? Ain't you a doctor? Ain't you a doctor, bro? Ain't you a doctor, bro? Yo, doctor. Okay. Dr. Sold. Thank you guys for watching this video. And I'll see you in the next one.